See this here's? This here's a spitter that the daddy squished. I left the carcass here for the mama to inspect. Anyway, the chickens are here. Now we're gonna have a chicken naming contest. So, we watch their personality. And I'll remember not to get so close to the fence this time. Let it focus. The fence causes the camera to go out of focus. Over there, that's the mutt. Okay. Oh, look at her, sticking her head through the fence. She's kind of brave. What do you do? So, there's the big guy in charge. And here comes Mutt. And oh, the big guy says it's time for something. Oh, nice display. Thank you. And look at her sticking her head. That's pretty funny. Whoops. The blue jays are flitting around and it's catching their attention. And leaves are falling too. And so anyway, we'll let you guys to come up with some names for these guys. Hey, crazy lady, give us more corn. Here we go. Okay, everyone. Good morning. Have a great day.